Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to make the yellow cross on top. So I'm assuming that if you're watching this video, you already know how to make the second layer and now you're aiming to make the yellow cross on top, which is the next step. So basically for the yellow cross, it's pretty simple. There's only 3 different cases that you have to memorize and all of them are pretty similar to each other. So first of all, a yellow cross looks like this. You do not have to look at the corners at all. The yellow cross basically consists of the yellow center as well as the 4 solved white edges, right? So it forms a cross like shape. Again, do not focus on the corners for this step, as we'll cover that in the step after this. Alright, so the first case is this. It's called an L shape. So after you made the second layer, you hold the yellow on top, and if you see this case, right, this is also called as the L shape. You basically identify this by looking at the edges. As you can see, only 2 of the edges are solved and they are adjacent to each other. They're not opposite, they're adjacent to each other. And basically when they're adjacent, this is known as the L case, and you hold one of the solved edges to the right and one pointing towards you. So it should look like this. Now what you do is you grab these 2 layers, alright, these 2 layers, and rotate them clockwise, okay, like this once. Alright, just rotate it once, and now do the 4 moves from the right that you already know of. So up, left, down, right. Now bring those 2 layers back up. So basically move anti-clockwise, and as you can see, the yellow cross is done. Alright, so this is one of the cases. One of the other cases are the line case, where basically the 2 solved edges are opposite to each other. They are not adjacent, they are opposite to each other. And now what you have to do is you have to hold the cube with the line being parallel to you. Alright, the line should not be pointing towards you, it should be horizontal. And you basically do the same thing, except instead of moving the front 2 layers, you move just the front layer. Alright, so you move only 1 layer clockwise like this, and now you do R U, R prime, U prime, which is the 4 move algorithm, and then you bring this layer back up. Alright, now you'll have the yellow cross done. And now for the last case, it's the yellow dot case, which looks like this, where basically none of the edges are solved. Alright, none of them are pointing on the top, right? So for this, all you have to do is you can just do the algorithm which you do for the line case, right? So after you do that algorithm, you'll observe that you get the L case, right? And you already know what to do for the L case. You just have to rotate it like this and bring it back up, and now you can see that the yellow cross has been finished. So for the L case and for the line case, there's only one algorithm that you have to memorize, whereas for the dot case, you just have to combine the line case and the L case's algorithm, and then you will be able to solve the yellow cross very easily. And there are no exceptions in this step. You only have to remember these 3 cases and you'll be good to go for the yellow layer. That is it for this video, and in the next video we will learn how to align these edges. Alright, so I'll tell you more about that in the next video. Make sure to perfect the yellow cross until then, and I will see you guys in that video.